Welcome to Matt's Bicycle Adventures. Hold on to your hats.
Mississippi kite ride in the wind. Happy Sunday morning. Let me get through this intersection. So we've got pretty much gale force winds out here today. For some reason. What's this clown doing? All right. And it started yesterday. Yeah, the high wind started yesterday for some reason. I know that tomorrow there's supposed to be they're doing some work over here. Whoa. Tomorrow there's supposed to be some kind of a front coming through. Maybe some heavy rains. They aren't expecting any flooding, so that's a good thing. Yeah, look at the trees moving. The wind's coming directly out of the south from the Gulf of Mexico. So with that brings all the humidity too. So hopefully we get a front through here and it lowers the humidity again. Wow, he's on the speedway. Dang. They did post high wind advisories for today. I hear sirens. So I met up with my old buddy Jerry yesterday. He was at the coffee shop last evening when I went in. Then we rode home together, most of the way. Once we get to Eaton, he turns right to get home and I turn left to get home. Woo. I gotta watch where I'm going. Almost hit that car. Woo. So that was nice sitting with Jerry and talking. After a long time of not seeing each other. It's actually not that bad out here. There's strong wind gusts, but there's long periods of time in between them where it's just calm. So it's not that bad. The wind started picking up yesterday just out of nowhere. Then it continued overnight and into this morning. It's pretty wild. But it looks so strange out here with no cars parked at all. Just this lowly U-Haul van. Oh wow, you hear that? Let me turn around. The wind blowing on this trailer was making a noise. Let's see if we can hear it. Now that I stopped, it's not going to do it. Oh, wait a minute. No. That's always the way, huh? Boy, look at him coming in hot. Oh. That's those black-headed seagulls. I love riding on Sunday mornings. It's pretty, all right, watch this. Oh shoot, I missed it. I missed it. Crap. That's gonna get off in the grass. Alright, hold on. The challenge has been made. I'll take this sucker back down this way. Make sure I give myself enough room to get lined up. Alright. Oh boy. Well, this ain't working out too good, is it? Alright, we'll try this again now. The challenge has been made. Alright, here we go. Ugh. Well, we'll see how that turned out. Flattened it pretty good. Take a quick spin around the front. Morning. All right. See what's going on in the front, just for fun. Not much. Well, I'm not even pedaling. That wind is pushing me right along. That's pretty cool. It's like an e-bike. But now I gotta turn around and go into it. Although he's waiting for me, and I want to give him a turn. Oh.